US Congressman Shri Thanedar has introduced a resolution to formally censure Representative Andy Ogles over what he describes as repeated Islamophobic statements. The measure was introduced on the 12th of March, calling for Ogles to be removed from the House of Committee on Homeland Security. Congressman Shri Thanedar introduced the resolution following a series of social media posts by Representative Andy Ogles that targeted Muslims, saying that the statements promote hatred against millions of Muslim Americans and undermine constitutional protections for religious freedom. In posts from the platform X, Ogles wrote that Muslims do not belong in American society and claimed pluralism is a lie. Now, this is not the first time Thanedar has sought disciplinary action against Ogles. In June 2025, he introduced somewhat of a similar resolution after Ogles made controversial remarks about New York political figure Zohran Mamdani. The resolution also cites remarks he made on a podcast suggesting Muslims would breed their way through society. In a statement announcing the resolution, Thanedar said that the comments were disgusting and bigoted, adding that such language has no place in Congress or in American public life. He argued fellow lawmakers to support the measure as a stand against hatred and discrimination. Thanedar's resolution argues that such rhetoric raises serious concerns about Ogles' suitability to serve on the Homeland Security Committee, which deals with national security and immigration policy. The measure calls for Ogles to be formally censured on the House floor and removal from Homeland Security Committee. The current measure has now been referred to the House Committee on Ethics, where lawmakers will review the resolution and determine the next steps. Now, if adopted, the resolution would require Representative Ogles to appear in the House chamber while Speaker will formally read the censure.